Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 stocks that are setting up nice for some potential swing plays in the EV and clean energy sector. So before I get started, just to reiterate, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So let's dive on into it, guys. First and foremost, S&P 500. Still, we have not seen the pullback that I mentioned. We kind of busted through the all-time highs, not very aggressively, but we are overvalued and we are losing steam on that MACD. We're trying to cross over from a bullish to a bearish pattern, so just kind of keep that in mind today or Friday. In my opinion, we should see some type of pullback, even though it may not be a significant one, but we are due to kind of come down just a tad, but it doesn't mean that we have to come down a lot, right? So let's go ahead and get into the plays, guys. The first one is Clean Energy Fuels Corporation, ticker symbol CLNE. And as you see this one here, we had a nice run up recently all the way to about $16.40 somewhat cents, and then a pretty aggressive sell-off. We've been coming down ever since. We're starting to lose steam on our selling here, and we're not having much volume, and we're holding pretty decent support on that SMA line, and we are very, very close to undervalued territory. So I can see this one coming up and popping up pretty aggressively from these levels. As you see, we got a little red Doge candle here, and if you want it to play it really safe, you can wait for the one green candle close above this green EMA line. But I feel like these are some good levels to buy. Anything in the 10s, or even if it kind of comes a little bit down below into the 9s, you buy there because it's going to be undervalued, and then you can buy in, hold whenever till it gets to about $11.10, and you can sell just to be safe if you wanted to, just in case it doesn't come and bust through that 11.15 mark and gets rejected at the resistance level. But I think this is setting up for a nice swing play here. Second one is GEVO. All right, GEVO is undervalued on the RSI, and that means that it is these are some good buys at these current levels. And as you see here, every time that we hit undervalued, we pop up. Okay, sometimes close to overvalued, sometimes just pop up to fair valued. So you never know exactly how high it'll pop up, but it's kind of, has something to do with the market conditions. But you can, play it safe pretty much right here by buying here at undervalued, and when it pops up close to fair valued, you can sell and take profits. So currently it's trading at about $7 and some change. Buying here, hold until about $8 is a safe, quick scalp or swing play. All right, and the other one, guys, is IDEX, and we talked about IDEX a couple of weeks ago. Whenever it hits undervalued, this thing always pops up fairly aggressively. People come in and scoop it up, and ride the wave up, and you see undervalued to close to overvalued, undervalued to overvalued, and you just kind of repeat that process. You can probably make anywhere from 8 to 10% on this play again. It's almost an undervalued territory. If it goes any lower into the 270s, then I'm buying, and I'm going to hold till it gets to about $3 to $3.10. That would be a good, and in my opinion, pretty much a low risk swing play on this particular stock, just based on its history alone. So looking pretty good for these potential plays, and you could even just kind of hold off right off the jump on the open and see how they react. See if we do start getting some type of pullback in the markets as a whole, because you might be able to catch these cheaper, and then when everything kind of settles down closer to around noon or closer to noon, you hop in and then just ride the wave either for a few hours or a few days, and then you take your profits after that. But I just wanted to share those setups that I see coming, guys. I am going to be targeting all 3 of these, but not necessarily in that order. I think CLNE, I'm watching to see if it gets into the 9s. GEVO, I actually already own, and I'm just looking, maybe I can average down at these levels. But IDEX, I'm watching like a hawk, because if this thing falls into the 270s, I'm buying and I'm holding the $3 again to make some money off of a quick swing play. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.